the Ethiopian Muslims, after 7 or 8 months, have returned to the front line. The Ethiopian Muslims believe in non-violent struggle. The Ethiopian Muslims protest against the Ethiopian government last Friday over there in a country, and right here in the United States in front of the Ethiopian embassy over here in Washington, D.C. You are watching Billy Suma Show right here on YouTube.com. Thanks for watching Billy Suma Show. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your freedom. You take care.